Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and have you ever wondered if there is another type of deodorant that you can use apart from the conventional one? And the answer is yes. This one right here is a crystal deodorant of potassium alum, and this one is by the brand Vital Green. And I can say 100% that I am really happy with this. It has worked wonderfully for me because I usually apply this in the morning and then I can spend the entire day without having to reapply. And I can tell you that I do not get any bad smell. So it works super, super well for me. And it is so easy to use. Usually I just add some water to the deodorant and then I apply it on my armpit area. And that's about it. It is so easy to store, and then I can just go on with my day without having to worry about probably having or probably getting a bad smell. And that is my point of view.